the foam is completely falling off. And the reason why this is important is, on this side at least, if the seal isn't proper, it's actually sucking in very hot air from the engine bay. Albeit it's a very small gap, having this gap would most likely increase the amount of hot air that's going into your intake. So you definitely want to make sure this is appropriately sealed. So this is the mess of foam. Pretty much nothing left here. Just a mess. I'm just using some petroleum-based spray, PV Blaster, WD-40, gasoline. They all work at removing adhesive pretty well. So you just take a towel and just scrub, and it'll remove the remaining adhesive. Purchased some of the sponge window seal. Here's the dimensions. Comes in a nice roll like this, and essentially you just work your way around, make sure it's sealing properly. This does appear to be slightly thicker than the original OEM sponge sealant, but I guess even a tighter seal. So here's the finished product. As you can see, I just went around. This foam stuff is very easy to manipulate around corners, although it does do this on this corner, but either way it's still sealing on this edge. I decided to end here because on this side is where it sucks in. This is the side that is closer to the engine bay itself, so if it's gonna leak, I don't mind it from here. It's a little bit cooler air in terms of the engine bay, but as you can see, it just goes around. Now I'm just gonna work on the other side. So with 3 meters or 10 feet worth of foam sealer, I was able to get both sides done and still have this much left.